Okay, so let's talk about number 9. What I like about this test, this EOC, is this is not where you can just plug this into your calculator. You have to actually know the transformations, okay? So I think it's going to be easiest to look at each one of these individually, okay? If I put a negative outside of this, what am I negating? Am I negating the x or am I negating the y? We are negating the y. Everything is being negated, not just the x, everything. So so if I negate the y, I flip over the x, okay? The next thing I'm going to do is this. If this is a negative inside of there, where does it move my, okay? Where does it move? Left or right? So this one is going to move to the right, okay? So I don't have any other things to mark on that one, okay? It specifically says, well, that's could be a problem then. All right, so let's look at the next one. What does A do here? Okay, so it's affecting the x, so it's going to be something vertical. Now, listen, fractions make it fat, okay? Whole numbers make it skinny. That's not a fraction, that's just A.
Attention students, it's time for the English II EOC this morning. Students last name A through F, please report to Ms. Holmes' room. Once again, last name A through F, report to Holmes. Students last name G through M, report to the library. Last name G through M to the library. And all other students report to Ms. Hutchings. Thank you very much.
I will put these on Google Classroom. All right, so here we go. So think about this. It's vertical, and I know what. Or is this vertical or is it horizontal? Which way do the x's go? Okay, so x's go horizontal since we're not going to participate. X's go horizontal, and this is a whole number, so it's going to make it skinny. So horizontal what makes my graph skinny? Horizontal compress. So that's a horizontal compress. I don't have a horizontal compress in there. This does what? K moves it where? Up. Okay? So this is a translation up by K. Now, they said vertical dilation. That would also work. Tell me why vertical dilation should work. Isn't a horizontal compress the same thing as a vertical stretch? Yeah. And I'm assuming that vertical dilation, that's what they're meaning by dilation. That's kind of a different word. Okay, here we go. What does this do to my graph? It moves it where? Moves it left. Okay. What does this do? Moves it down. Up K units, left, vertical. Okay. All right. So that would be all that you would check. Okay? All right. So good job. All right. So here we go. Let's go look down here at number 11. Okay? All right. Let's look at number 11. There's a really quick way that we can narrow this down. First of all, what's the parent graph to this one?